Cả thầu chứ tôi là hiện với September này ngã 2017. So what is up guys, it's me LH and welcome back to my channel. If you're here for the first time, my name is LH Changbandantle, and don't forget to, okay, before that, go and click the subscribe button first. And today's vlog will be about our Teachers Day celebration and Onam celebration for my Malayali friends as classmates. And Onam celebration is one of the biggest festival for these Keralites, Malayalis, or whatever. Like, what do they call themselves? Malayalis, Keralites, more or less the same. So really awkward for me to vlog with English because I hardly do. So I'll try my best to keep it up. And so wearing somewhat kind of their traditional dress, some dhoti and kurtas, and okay, let me go and change. Heading for the college and putting my room key here. I don't know what is this. It feels so funny, to be honest. See, wearing this kind of white dress. So sexy! Woo! Hey, get ready. Good man, good. So you're making?
Man,
Yeah? Huh?
we need help.
What?
Like we need to grow.
So man, what are you actually doing?
We are doing the floral hair carpet design.
Floral carpet design. So this is the part of your celebration?
Yeah, this is one of our traditional thing.
Okay.
ചെല്ലത്താരകളും പെണ്ണും പണ്ടേ കൂട്ടാണ് ഉലരിക്കിളികൾ കാതോരം കൊഞ്ചും പോലെ പുളകം വിതറും ചെഞ്ചില്ലം മൊഴിയാണ് ഹോ കുളിരിൽ വിരിയും തൂമല്ലപ്പൂവും കൊണ്ട് ഹൃദയം പൊതിയും പുഞ്ചിരിയാണ്.
I'm taking your video.
നിനച്ചാലേ മഴ പൊഴിയും ഹോ ഹോ.
So this is called Pukalam, and I don't know anything about it. So I'm gonna ask someone to explain about it.
Pukalam is, before knowing what is Pukalam, you have to know what is Onam.
Okay.
Onam is a harvest festival.
Okay.
And so harvest is like we are getting
The crops.
yeah,
Crops.
It's annually in this day.
Okay.
So this Pukalam represents harvest.
Okay.
And this one represents many like okay, for example the middle part of that. That is like a boat and it's like a canoe.
Canoe. Okay.
And it's a traditional one, and when many people sit on one boat and go, and it's like a race.
So that was all about this Pukalam, and they're making beautiful Pukalam around here. Serial number 3. This is serial number 4, 1, and serial number 2 here. So they're making it as a competition out here. Okay, here's our classmate Revati. So say something about Onam. I need.
Onam is a festival which we celebrate in Kerala because for the welcoming of our king. I mean, he's a great king of Kerala. When the time he ruled, there was no cheating and killing and things like that.
Okay.
So he was a great ruler, and there's this Vamana. He's a what to say?
Well, he's a devil or
It's not a devil. I mean, yeah, incarnation of Lord Vishnu.
okay, like
Not
that
incarnation. Avatar.
avatar. Yeah.
Avatar of Lord Vishnu.
Okay.
And he came to test Mahabali and if he's giving 3 worlds or something. And then what happened was that, I mean, he'll say, take my world also. I mean, that the only world he has is, I mean, Vamana will take 3 steps. Within that 3 steps, all the whole world would be under his control.
Okay.
So what Vamana only has left is this one, his land. I mean where he's standing.
Okay.
So Vamana put his leg on his head
Head and then
and then pushed him down.
okay. So it's like a celebration of victory or
Yeah. I mean he was a great ruler.
okay. So because of that, okay. Because of that, in remembrance of one ruler,
Remembrance of
the king. Name of the king was
Mahabali.
Mahabali.
Great sacrifice.
Great sacrifice. So
So
they
we celebrate.
Yeah, okay.
For welcoming him.
for welcoming him, the
There will be many
Kerala,
games will be there.
Okay,
and
all
this
the
is
Malaya-
main highlight of this.
all the
whole
Malayalis will celebrate this yearly.
event. Yeah, yearly.
Okay. Thank you, Revati, and we'll get you to the program right away.
Yeah.
Alright, that's a wrap up for ONAM celebration, and right now we're gonna have a photo session, class group photo session, classmates. I know. The video.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy Onam.
Happy ONAM. Happy ONAM.
പൊന്നോണ കാലത്ത് കണ്ണും നെഞ്ചും കണ്ണാളെ നീ കാണും നേരത്ത് തങ്കത്താമര പോൽ ഊന്തേൻ ചിന്തും നെഞ്ചാണ് ചെല്ലത്താരകളും പെണ്ണും പണ്ടേ കൂട്ടാണ് പുലരിക്കിളികൾ കാതോരം കൊഞ്ചും പോലെ പുളകം